Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Trust Wallet address. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your smartphone or tablet. Once inside, you will see a list of your various cryptocurrencies. It is crucial to select the exact cryptocurrency you intend to use, for example, BNB Smart Chain. Make sure you are on the correct network to avoid any issues with your funds. This initial step is fundamental for a smooth transaction process. After selecting your cryptocurrency, you will see options like Send, Receive, and Swap. Tap on the Receive button. This action will display your unique wallet address, often as a QR code and a string of characters. Below the QR code, you will find a Copy button. Press this button to copy the address to your device's clipboard. Always take a moment to visually confirm the address is correct. Now, let's move over to the Treasure Fund platform. Log into your account and navigate to the section where you manage your funds, typically labeled Withdraw or Deposit. You will find a dedicated input field where you need to paste your cryptocurrency wallet address. It is absolutely vital to ensure that the network chosen within Treasure Fund precisely matches the network of the address you copied from Trust Wallet. With your Trust Wallet address copied, simply paste it into the appropriate field on the Treasure Fund platform. Next, specify the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Before finalizing anything, take a full minute to meticulously review all the transaction details. This includes the address, the amount, and the network. Confirming these details helps prevent any irreversible errors and ensures your funds reach their intended destination safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.